Hello everybody, let's take a look at how to get Maya for free. If you're a student, you should be able to get 1 year free license with your student ID. Alright, to start with, you want to just regularly go to Google and then type in Maya 2023 student version. Now with that, you're gonna come up with a bunch of links, and one of the link that you really wanted to go to is this one over here. And once you click on this link, it's gonna take you to this page. And for this page, if you don't have a account with Autodesk, you're gonna need to make one. So go to this page and click on sign in. And after signing in, and you will be taken to this page where you will enter your email. Now you could enter any email. It does not have to be .edu. You can even enter Gmail here. Click on that, and then first name, last name, confirmation, all that information. And then after this, once you hit create account, it's gonna create an account for you. Now after the account is created, now to verify email, so go to your email, click on verify email, and then it's gonna take you back to that link where you will sign in. And once you sign in, it's gonna tell you that account is verified, and now your account is working. We're not talking about a license yet, just your account is working at this point. All right, now sign back in into your Autodesk. And now this time when you're signed in, you will be able to see kind of a little icon there that kind of shows you you're signed in. Now down here, you're going to see a lot of Autodesk products. Now if you scroll down more, there are a lot more. Take a look at that. So one of that product is Maya. That's what we're aiming to get. Now looking in those black buttons there, it says get started. It says that because we don't have yet the activation for it. Once you get the activation, this button would change into get product. Now to start here, click on this get started, and that would take you to this page. Again, at this page, type in your email, the same email that you used to create an account, then your first name, last name, enter that, and you're gonna have a little more information to fill in based on what you pick here. Now, for example, here, let's say you pick in student, you probably have to type in what country and then institute. And if your institute is in the list, it will pop up here. Autodesk use this share ID to confirm your eligibility. Now, what we need to do after this, once you hit confirm, it's gonna take you to this page. At this page, it's gonna ask you to upload a valid document that tells that you are a student. Now it could be your transcript, or it could be your student ID. Just take a picture and upload that in within these given specifications. Now once these are done, then you hit the submit button. All right, now after submit button is done, it's going to tell you that it's going to take 48 hours to complete, but actually it does pretty fast. But sometimes it can take up a day as well. So after you're done up to this step, then keep an eye on your email for a link from Autodesk. Once you click on that link, that you're going to receive in an email after they accepted your student ID or any other document you send. This is the email confirming that your account is now activated. Now it's time to get a program. Now to get a program, click on this, get Autodesk software. Now, if you look back in here, it says get started, all of those. But once you get this confirmed, you come back to the same page. Look at that. So now everything is going to be get product. So this is before the verification. Everything say get started, but after the verification, everything says get product. So scroll down to where it says Maya, and then click on get product. All right. So now once you click on that, so it's going to give you more options. Now what the first option is, you can install right away straight from the internet. Second one, you can download and then install. Both ways does work in the same way. You can do either of these. While installing, you're gonna go through a bunch of different menu option, like where you wanted to install it. Then you're gonna get one of this option which allows you to pick and choose which components you wanted to install. If it's the first time you're doing, just install everything. So click on install, and then it's going to take probably some time to install. It could take up to half an hour or more. So it's going to keep going, and the one is done, then it's going to restart. And then after restarting, it's going to ask you to use a license here. Now this time as a license, we're going to just sign in with our email and password that we used earlier to create an account. and that email and password automatically is going to tell Autodesk that if it's valid or not. Once you sign in with that, you're going to get this window. And look carefully at this window down here. It says license verified. Now, once you're at this stage, then you're good. So it's verifying, and then another couple minutes, and then you're gonna get to finally this menu over here. Now this is Maya window. Once you get to this, that means everything has been done perfectly and you're ready to start working in it. Now this is the go to Maya button. This is usually a home page for Maya where you have a bunch of different tutorials to start with if you wanted to look into those. Or you can just click on this button, go to Maya. It would take you to the Maya with the 4 views and all that. So that's all about how you get Maya from Autodesk website as a student version and then install and activate it.